Hello, today's topic of the video is so interesting. Topic is King Nebuchadnezzar experiment and scurvy experiment. Okay, this is related to clinical trial. And this is so in shortly history of the clinical trial. The first clinical trial is performed in history by the king. Name is Nebuchadnezzar. Sorry, pronunciation will different, but pronunciation is so problem. But this is the name of the that king of the Babylon. This is the king. This Nebuchadnezzar is the king of the Babylon. Okay, clinical. This clinical trial or clinical that experiment performed in 605 BC. Okay, and this in this trial in this clinical trial mentioned in the book, that book name is big book of the Daniel. Okay, this clinical trial is mentioned in that Daniel. Earlier record example is clinical trial. Okay, it is a earliest record found in the history. Okay, in that book. Okay, experiment were conducted in by the king Nebuchadnezzar. That experiment is okay. He is the king of the Babylon at the time of that at the time of 605 BC. Okay, when he was a king, he newly as a king, and uh, he gave the order to the people eat only meat and wines. Okay, in every day. Okay, but some people are very vegetarian, so some people are objected that objection to that rules. So Nebuchadnezzar is a king, and he is not a like a king or the other king. He is actually listening of the people. So he decided. So uh, he gave the approval to eat only the vegetarian involves in legumes and waters. Okay, for 10 days. Okay, and he is he in my he let's do one. He thinking, let's do one experiment. If some people, 10 people, or some people of group of people eat only meals, meat and wines, then what will happen? And some people eat vegetarian food like ligaments and water for 10 days. Then what will happen? Then after 10 days he observed that in that experiment, the vegetarian people's health is better than the better than the better than people who is eating uh, who was eating meat and wines. Okay, this is the experiment. This is the experiment which are conducted by the king of the Babylon. Name is Nebuchadnezzar. So this is the experiment. Then clinical trial is performed by the managed by the Dr. James Lynn, and he is called as the father of the clinical trial. Okay. Then in 1747 he performed the clinical trial, and this experiment or this clinical trial experiment called as James Lynn scurvy experiment. Okay, scurvy. Firstly, what is a scurvy? Scurvy is a disease caused by the vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C, the condition caused by the lack of vitamin C. Okay, most animals are produce the vitamin C by own, but exception are always there. So exception in this production of vitamin C is human, then a pig, then Ganial pig, and then monkey is also the exception. A lack of vitamin C means collagen protein found in the body, such as the skin, cannot be replaced, leading to the tissue breakdown. Okay, and due to this diet of vitamin without vitamin C leads to symptoms such as gum bleeding, then bleeding gums, then fatigue, then joint pain, shortness of breathing, so slow heart wound. Then this is a symptoms of the this is scurvy, called as scurvy, and now we are called as deficiency of vitamin C. Now, the Dr. James Lynn Scottish is a physician of the British name. So, particularly this scurvy is this disease cause only the peoples which are present on the ship, and because this they do not have proper diet plan at that time, so they cause the scurvy. But at that point, at that time, that they do not know scurvy, what is scurvy, and how they form the scurvy. But Dr. James was worried because he is a physician of the British Navy. So he was present in on the ship. So he worried. Actually, he worried about about this situation because the navy sailors are died because of this disease. Neither they are not the by the not by the anyone. So then he decided do this decided in his mind. He decided something to do for this. Then he planned conduct experiment. Okay, so this experiment called as clinical trial, but that time they do not know, and we call as a clinical trial. After 2 months of the sea, okay, he actually 20th May 1747 he conduct an experiment. Okay, in his scorbut, in his experience scorbut in scorbut cellars, 12 scorbut cellars are taken in a six group. Okay, in a six group, each group contains two members with a common symptoms. So after division of the common on the after division of the group after division of the group on the basis of common symptoms, the first group he give the diet plan to that each and every group. The first group, then he first group give the apple cider plus vinegar once a day. Okay, first group. Then second group, elixir. At that time, he used the 2 to 5 drops of the ear lates was used in treatment of the bronchitis, means lungs related disease. This elixir they are giving. So the second group the diet is that. Then third group diet is sea water. Okay, and fourth group diet is some spicy food or paste was given. Fifth group is given diet is lemon and orange once a day. Then sixth group diet is given like a barley water. Okay, after giving a diet during the treatment, one group means fifth group which has given a lemon and orange one a day, that group are stopped because of some story because of lack of the lemon and orange shock. Due to this, but he observed that the one person of that fifth group is recovered, and one person are recovering due to this due to lemon and orange. So this is that experiment. Some so is almost recovered. Now apart from that, only group ones also shown some effect of the treatment. So they also show some effect of treatment, but fifth group shows the most very effective group, and that one sellers are actually joined the duty again. So this also that experiment. After long before, he didn't publish that research of that clinical trial, so-called clinical trial is not published because he worried about he done clinical trial on seller on only on 12 sellers. So he did not know the other why this other things, other stuff he did not know, so he did not publish. But after he retired from Navy, Then he written a book name is Dear Stis on the scurvy book, and he in that book he written or published that experiment experiment in 1753. So he published that book, and the disc he did in this disc, and after the publishing, after 40 years, these experiments are ignored for 40 years. Okay, so this was the experiment of scurvy experiment by the Lin, uh, by the Lin, and this, because this clinical trial is started doing on a day on 20th May. So the international clinical, so 20th May is the now international clinical day. So this is the all about the story and the history of the clinical trials. If you like it, please press the like button. So I will meet you again with a new topic. So this is Omkar signing off for today. Thank you.